Good morning, everybody. So today we're going to do a little bit of shearing on some dwarf Yaupon holly that we have quite a few of here in the garden. When we have multiple plantings together, multiple shrubs together, Karikomi is the word that describes all of them grouped together like this. A single shrub in this shape is a Tamamono, but multiple shrubs together like a wave is called Karikomi. The individual shape that my teacher described to me to think of is like a mushroom cap that's laying on the ground. So we don't want the ball shape so much as we want foliage that goes all the way down to the ground. It takes time to get the plant to do that, but we go for that every time we're pruning these. High quality hand shears are a big help for this. The technique that we use is to choke way up on the tool, and I try to do the best I can to just move one hand and to hold the other hand still so that my hand stays steady as I'm working on the shrub. I like to start at the top, kind of flatten it out, and then work my way down to the valleys. When we get to the valleys, we don't ever turn our shears into the fold like this. We don't want a really heavy bifurcation. We want smoother bifurcations between the shrubs. So I try to hold one hand still and flatten out the area that I'm going to do on the top. Then it's best to go around the best we can rather than going like this and creating lines that are more visible in the shrub. It's best to do our pruning in a circle as we go around. So as we approach the area between the shrubs, it's kind of like we're gonna cut. I'm gonna cheat and start on the side of this one. But it's like we approach the valley, but don't really ever cut in the valley, so that we get a smooth transition between the two. So that our valley is smooth. We don't want a really obvious, definite line here. So these are dwarf myrtle, which have a smaller leaf than the Yaupon holly, but as you can see, the bifurcation is smooth. It's not too definite. And then another thing that we try to achieve is differences in height. These used to be exactly the same height, and so I've been trying to establish differences in height in this group here, and it's what I'll eventually be doing with the dwarf Yaupons over there.